so I'm going to be editing today mostly. Other than that, it's going to be a pretty chill day. The rest of the week, I showed you guys basically what I was doing. Friday going on to Saturday, I was setting up for my sister's birthday. Then Saturday I didn't really have any footage because I was doing stuff with my sister, but we did an escape room on her birthday. And we did a lot of other stuff too. Sunday I did the food truck festival with Samia. She's been on the channel before. Monday didn't do anything. Tuesday didn't do anything. Wednesday we went to Niagara Falls, and this is Thursday today, so Thursday is just editing and chilling. I got these glasses today, and I also got this headband, which I'm very excited about because I've wanted one for a while, a cat ear one, just for me. No clue. I've just wanted one for a bit. Also great thing about today is my Ipsy glam bag came, and I got a few products that I'm very excited to try, including I got this Hikari bronzer shimmer blush thing. It's in the shade Flush, but I'm very excited to try it. I did attempt to put on a little bit now, but I don't know if it really worked because of the brush. I attempted to put it on, didn't really work out. I also got this Makeup Forever tester size for the excessive lash mascara. It's supposed to have a resting volume, so we'll see how that works tomorrow. We got this Seraphine or Seraphine, not really sure which it is. Liquid eyeliner. I'm very excited to try as well because I've been looking for a lot of them. This is also a felt tip one, which I love them. Those are honestly my favorite. I got this Cella eyebrow gel again in my bag, and I told them about it, so they're going to send me a highlighter and replacement, which is very kind of them. Thank you very much, Ipsy. But yeah, and I also got 2 face masks, which I did get face masks last month as well, but they're different brand, different whole thing, so I'm not very mad about that. But whenever they send you face masks, they generally send you like 1, 2, not like 1 just on its own. But they sent me, they're both from Nature Recipe. This one's Nature Recipe Honey, and it's for nutrition and smooth complexion. And this one's Nature Recipe Tea Tree, which is for calming and soothing. So I'm going to see, I might use one of them again tonight, and I'll let you guys know maybe in another vlog if I liked it or not. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so I'm going to just edit now. Bye!